This is one of the most strenuous, steep, and rewarding trails in the Shining Rock Wilderness. Today we are tackling Shining Creek Trail, a relentless uphill climb through the forest with hidden cascades and waterfalls. With a massive elevation gain ahead, this trail is not for the faint of heart, but the water views are well worth every step of the way. We are starting at the Pigeon River and pushing our way to the top. Let's get into the wilderness. The rugged landscape that we know as Shining Rock Wilderness has a history that dates back thousands of years. Long before it was a designated wilderness area, this steep, rugged terrain was once part of the Cherokee Nation. The trails we were walking on here originally were not mapped out by modern-day backpackers, but were actual footpaths of the Cherokee. The Cherokee used these dirt and quartz-lined paths to connect their homes to the resource-rich mountains. They didn't live in these harsh, rugged areas, but they would venture here to hunt deer, bear, elk, and to fish, and to gather different types of flora for their survival. As the trail follows Shining Creek, the landscape transforms into a majestic display of water and stone. This rugged stream provides a continuous soundtrack for the hike, rushing over ancient boulders and creating many cascades and waterfalls. Watch your footing out there. The trail along Shining Creek is a relentless obstacle of slippery rocks and roots. Nature is actively reclaiming these ancient paths. The creek drops thousands of feet in elevation, creating a spectacular chain of whitewater chutes and hidden plunge pools. Each bend in the trail reveals another pristine waterfall, showcasing what makes this trail so beautiful, so unique, and so special. The easy part of the hike and the walk is over, but the water never leaves our side, as it stays next to us as we start our journey uphill to Shining Rock. hard as the climb is, there is a moment when the fatigue fades away and is replaced by a moment of pure awe. Standing out here among the ancient trees and the roar of the water next to you, it is a reminder of why exactly you do this. You aren't just looking at nature anymore, you are completely immersed in it. It's a reminder that we don't just visit nature, but we are nature. We are a part of it. Reaching the top was an incredible feeling, but our time up here in the pine forest was cut short. As the mountain rains began to come in, we started our way back down. Because of the rain, I had to put the camera up. Rain definitely does change the game on the trail. The rocks and roots that we climbed up on were now very wet and slick, and every step of the descent required complete focus. From ancient Cherokee footpaths to slippery, rain-soaked descents, this mountain never disappoints. Thanks for going on this hike with me, and we'll see you on the next hiking adventure.